Hello there and welcome to my Skelanimals collection video. I'm Bunny and I'll be showing you my OG mid-2000s Skelanimals plushies, accessories, and clothing pieces that I have in my collection right now. Okay, so first up are these super sick Tripp NYC / Skelanimals pants, and I know most people like Kit the cat, but my favorite is the bunny, so bam! When I saw that these were a thing, I went on like the biggest hunt ever to find them. But yeah, they're super cute and they have white lace detailing, little lace up kind of stuff on both sides. And of course, the butt is the best. It has a little bun butt. These are definitely one of my favorite pieces in my whole collection. Love them so much. Yeah. Okay, next is a super freaking cute Kit the Cat shirt, and I actually have matching shorts for it, little shorts, and they have like a little kit right here too, but I can't find them. They're somewhere around, but it's like supposed to be a little PJ kind of lounge set, and it's got the vinyl and nothing on the back, just cute. Red and black moment. Oh hey, more Skelanimals. So this top is, I got it recently. I put it in my last haul video, and it has, once again, stripes, red and white stripes, and then the black Skelanimal skull going up. Super versatile, a little bit looser fit, so you can like push it down in there. Nothing on the back again. Just cute. Next two pieces I have are little wintertime vibes. Actually, I've sold a lot of my Skelanimals stuff. Like, my collection right now is half of what it used to be. I only kept the stuff that I definitely wanted to keep. So I had the Kit the Cat scarf, but sold it on my Depop. But now I have the bun one, and I will never get rid of it because it's so good. Look at that. And the next piece is the iconic Skelanimals, like all of the different characters, or just tons of them, beanie hat, but I am not going to put it over my wig. That is not happening. That will mess it up, but look at how cute that is. It's got the heart, and then all the boys, the whole town. So good, so good. Okay, next I have a couple pairs of Skelanimal socks. So Diego and Kit, and they're from Japan, so I'll probably get more in because I want to have the full collection. I just wanted to show the two styles that I have. I have like 2 or 3 pairs of each, but hoarding. But yep, I'm gonna get more in and put them on my Depop if you're into that. My Depop will be in the description. This is my Kit the Cat kind of side sling bag. So cute, he's holding on for dear life. Look at him. Help me! Mom, I'm falling! But yeah, this has a zipper on the back and a little pocket. And I got it new with tags. I was so lucky to find this one. So, he's a good boy. Meow meow. Hi, it's back again. I wanted to show some more stuff. That's all the clothing that I have currently. I have another bag coming in the mail, and I actually have some pieces listed on my Depop right now, but those are the only ones from my collection. So, now we'll move on to jewelry. I keep them in this 2011 GER jewelry box. Very nice. Very good. And actually, I think I'm gonna do this like, I'm gonna hold the phone. I'm new, I'm learning. I'm gonna hold the phone and show you. Okay, so here's the jewelry box, and so here's my Skelanimals enamel earrings. They're so cute. I love them so much. And then I also have a few Skelanimals necklaces, ball chains, and these are from Japan. You used to be able to get them in like vending machines exclusively in Japan. And here was the little pamphlet that would come with them. So cool. And there's those again. So happy. Okay, next is my bigger Skelanimals plushies. So I have this one, the rabbit, and here's my hand holding him. So you can get an idea of how big he is. Very cute. And then I have Kit the cat. And he's got some gunk on him. That's okay, still super cute. And the last one of these that I have is the dog. I don't remember his name, Dex. Dex the dog. And there they are. Ta-da! Then I have one of these long boys. I think these are like carnival prizes or something. Okay, but there he is, Bunny. Because Bunny's my fave. I don't even know what his name is. It's my fave though. Then my more rare ones. So I have this one I found at a thrift store, and I had to like double take. I'm like, this is not my life. I did not just find this for like $4. But he's pink and beautiful. Oh, you can hang him. Cute. And then I love this print. I wish I had more of this one. This is the bear, but the print is so cool. Like, that should be a shirt if it's not one, or a jacket, or a skirt, or pants, or socks, or shoes. It's just so cool. I love it, I love it. And he's got his tag on him. He's a rare bean. And then some more rare beans. This one. Most of these I just found thrifting. I'm not even lying to you right now. There was a point in time where I would go thrifting all the freaking time, like almost every day. And that's where I was getting most of my inventory, but that's when I found these. I didn't even know this one was a print. Look at those flowers, they're so beautiful. Okay, and then another bear. This is like a love sweetheart boy, and he's got the tag too. Look at him. And then the prized possession, the best of the best, the pink fluffy Kit the cat, and she's got a tag. I wonder if they made a pink fluffy bunny, because that would be my favorite if there was one, but I think this is like an Easter thing. There's like a chick that you could get to. I probably want to buy that chick, but there they are. There's my boys. There's the squad. Well, that's gonna wrap up this video. That's my collection for now. I'll probably do update videos as time goes on, but that's what I have right now. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to sub for more alt fashion kind of content, e-girl fashion, scenecore, emocore. I like all the just weird stuff. Let me know down below what your favorite piece was in my collection, and let me know what your favorite piece is from your collection. I would love to know. I would love to know what exists. I feel like we uncover as a like community, alt fashion community, new pieces all the time, and it's like, oh my god, they made another pair of pants. Like, but if you have anything cool that you want to let me know, or any comments, leave a comment below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.